Hello. Today I'm going to show you a new unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Xbox Series F. Next gen performance in the smallest Xbox ever by Microsoft. That's the all new Xbox Series S. Ready for action. The next generation of gaming brings us largest digital launch library yet to our smallest Xbox ever, with more dynamic worlds, faster load times, and the addition of the Xbox Game Pass. This, of course, is sold separately. The all digital Xbox Series S is the best value in gaming on the market. It's optimized for Series X and S. The game built with the Xbox Series X and S development kits showcase significantly reduced load times and the stunning visuals at up to 120 frames per second. And it comes with smart delivery. We can get it once. With smart delivery, we can buy supported game once and allows have the best available version for whatever consoles we're playing on. And we can game on whenever we're looking for a day. One launch title, one of over 100 favorites in the Xbox Game Pass library, or of thousands of backward compatible classics. There is always something to play on the all digital Xbox Series S because it's disc free, all digital, all next gen. We can go all the digital with the Xbox Series S and build a library of digital games. Our games, saves, and backups are saved in the cloud. Plus, we can enjoy the ability to pre order and pre install upcoming games to our ready to play moments. They will launch. And redefines the speed. The Xbox Velocity architecture, powered by a custom SSD solid state drive, works together with an innovative system on a chip SoC technology to provide gameplay up to 120 frames per second on the smallest console ever. Faster load times. We can zip quick. Games load significantly faster with the custom SSD and the Xbox Series S. And we can change the game. With a quick resume, we can seamlessly switch between multiple different titles and resume instantly from where we left off. And of course, that's optional. We can increase the inventory uncompromised performance. The 1 terabyte Seagate storage expansion card for the Xbox Series X and S plugs into the back of the console via the dedicated storage expansion port and replicates the console's custom SSD experience, providing additional game storage and the same performance. And it looks better and it plays better. Equipped with the AMD's Zen 2 and RDNA 2 architecture. DirectX ray tracing delivers true to life lighting, shadow, and accurate reflections to create dynamic living worlds. And we can listen to our being surrounded. The 3D spatial sound is the next evolution in audio technology, using advanced algorithms to create immersive, lifelike worlds that put us at the center of our experience. We can power our dreams with over 100 high quality titles in Xbox Game Pass and thousands of current favorites, new releases, and time honored titles available. The Xbox Series S brings a launch library that's ready for adventure as soon as we can open the box. This is a brand new generation console. The new generation games are enabled on that. Hamburger, new adventure, the way they're mean to experience on the Xbox Series S, for example. And we have an instant library, for example, and a Game Pass option. And we can discover our next favorite game Oh, yeah, this is the new Xbox wireless controller, which will bring us an elegant design, refined comfort, and instant sharing to us and our family. Because we can add a lot of controllers on this. In the bundle, there is one controller in it, of course. We can use them. We can use that controller. And we can go with an other controller to add them there. And we have more buttons on that new controller. And show off, tap the share button to internalize our conquest. We have a good grip, a texture triggered, and a bumper holds it tight to keep us from slipping. And we have a full circle, updated in every direction. The new hybrid D-pad lets us crush combos without crossing our fingers. That's awesome. And backward compatibility. With thousands of games, we can get ready for faster load times, higher resolutions, more stable frame rates, and better input latency on thousands of Xbox One, Xbox 360, and original Xbox games. We can go up to 120 frames per second, 512 gigabit of solid state drive, high dynamic range, and Xbox velocity architecture. More galaxies, less space, a massive leap in our smallest console that we can ever see. Oh. The tech specs: CPU 8-time cores, 3.6 gigahertz. That means 3.4 gigahertz WSMT. Custom Fan 2 CPUs built in, and GPU with 4 teraflops. 20 CUS at 1.565 gigahertz. It's a custom RDNA 2 GPU, graphic processing unit. The SoC die size is 197.05 millimeter. We have a memory, 10 gigabyte of GDDR6 128 byte wide bus, a memory bandwidth with 8 gigabyte at 224 gigabyte per second, and 2 gigabyte of 56 gigabyte per second. We have an internal storage with 512 gigabyte customized NVMe SSD. Ooh. And of course, expandable storage. It supports 1 terabyte secret expansion card for the Xbox Series. And we have video capabilities, game resolution with 1440p, performance target is up to 120 frames, and HDMI features auto low latency mode, HDMI variable refresh rate, and AMD FreeSync. And sound capabilities are LPCM up to 7.1, Dolby Digital 5.1, and DTS 5.1, and Dolby True HD with Atmos. And we have a lot of ports on it. The ports are 1-time HDMI, 3 times USB 3.1 first generation, and the wireless standard of 802.11 AC dual band, and an Ethernet port with 10, 100, or 1000. And accessories radio, dedicated to dual band Xbox wireless radio. The design, the dimensions are 6.5 centimeters to 15.1 centimeters to 27.5 centimeters, and the weight is about 4.25 pounds. Wow, this is an all-inclusive pass to Xbox. We can get an Xbox Series S, and of course, we have to buy it separately, the Game Pass Ultimate, for example. This will cost, I think, $25 per month for 25 months, with no upfront cost. This is the Xbox Series